from these problems, cause you are fixed that you have earned money. You have earned money and all time.
Okay.
In the private job, we can see in the private job or in government job, in the pandemic time, we earn money at that time. In private job, we do the work from home, and in government job, we don't have to work. The salary is coming for us. But in business, in pandemic time, everyone are getting in loss. Everyone goes in loss. The businessmen. And they face many problems in the pandemic. And the business is also not so good, because if you start any business, that will drag you in the loss. First you have to lose many things for getting success in the business. And if you got a job, you will get a salary per month, and you just have to do the job, the work you want to. And business is
Okay, so chance for you. Next person. Okay.
I think according to me is business is better than job, because in the corona time, you know that there are many people are lost his job in a corona time, and in a business there are many people are grow up in a corona time also in a business. And in a job there is a fixed salary, and in a business there is no fixed salary, is a income. And you know that job is active. If you are active in a job, you are doing a job, then you will earn a money. And in a business, if you are passive, it is a passive. You can say it is if you are not active there, then you are also can earn the money. Is a
Yes, you have big losses. You have big losses. You have. Okay.
according to me.
Okay. Now your points. You may start to speak.
Business is good, because if business in more and more on money, and if you suppose one day you fall sick, so you have anyone your family go there in office in business, but you have you do a job, so you fall sick, then after you leave your can yourself and leave these days.
Okay.
So according to me, job is better than business. Corona is too much zooming again. If you do the business, you more and more earn money. If you do the job, you can't earn money, because you can do the livelihood. And if you do the business and you progress soon, and high level accounting in the society, and too much zooming earn money.
Okay.
According to me, first of all, business start to more and more money, having more and more money, and nowadays in by day you earn more and more money, and our society would very progress. But job is too much education. Apply the any companies to apply the jobs, and actually to you apply the any company to something money, to earn money, something money. And corona time, you know that corona time is online earn money, to many online apps to earn money, to many companies to online people to work in your mobiles, and doing the work in your home, and banks and bank account you earn money to come in your bank account also. So very better than more and more money. To not possible to earn money to lockdowns time. So better than to business, better than to job, I think.
Some time ago, man talked about the pandemic coronavirus, but and we have all looked at many businessmen make money in the lockdown. Like he sell the mask too much, and he sell the sanitizer, and he gain more and more money very easily way. So we can use the time, we can use the power, we can use our mind, we can create easily, make money. Why we choose the government job, why we choose the private job? So we can easily get the money with my mind, with our mind. We should work hard and hard, then we earn more and more.
According to me, there is if you know that if you are doing a job, there is if you are sick there, then you cannot go in a job, on the job, and there is their families depend on you, and your family depend on you, and if you are sick in a business, there is your family not depend